Welcome to Kimai video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to track expenses in Kimai, the two types of expense categories, and the exact workflow to create expenses that show up on invoices and reports. What is an expense in Kimai? Expenses are costs you assign to a project in addition to tracked working time. These expenses can count toward project budgets and can be included on invoices, so your billing matches reality. First, let's break down expense categories. Kimai uses categories to define how an expense is priced and how it behaves. There are two main setups. Type 1 is a fixed price per unit. This is perfect for things like a monthly or yearly license, printing cost per page, or car trip cost per kilometer. The price per license, sheet of paper, or kilometer is predefined in the category as some money amount per one unit. When you create an expense, you simply enter the quantity, and Kimai automatically calculates the expense total as quantity times price. This lets you standardize common costs and make expense entries fast. Type 2 is a variable price. This is for expenses where the amount changes every time, like hotel costs, taxi rides, or postage receipts. Here, the category acts more like a label, and when you create the expense, you enter the actual amount for that specific case. Now you can create expense categories. In the menu, click on Categories and then click on Create. Let's create a fixed price category for a software license first. Choose a name you can easily find later. Add an instruction for users to enter the quantity. Create a description that will appear on invoices. Finally, define the fixed price. Let's say one license costs 150 euros. Save your new expense category. Let's also create a variable price category for taxi rides. Choose a name, then add a clear instruction that users should enter the total amount from the receipt. Since every taxi ride costs differently, set 1 in the costs field. The costs field is only visible to admins, so other users will see the quantity field and enter the amount there. Click Save, and you're done. Let's see how a user would log expenses. In their account, the user clicks on Expenses and chooses Create. They must select the date, time, and project first. To log the purchase of 2 software licenses, they choose the category and enter 2 in the quantity field. After clicking Save, the expense appears in the list immediately. Kimai automatically calculates the total expense. Now the user needs to log a 62.50 euros taxi ride to the airport. After choosing a date and project, they pick the category Taxi Ride and enter 62.5 in the quantity field. The taxi ride is now saved. To make sure your expenses go into the invoices, check that the billable flag is set to Yes. You can edit the billability through the extended settings. Set billability to automatic, and Kimai will sort the expense for you. You've created an expense tracker, but how can you make sure expenses are deducted from your project budget? This feature is easy to enable. Navigate to System and click Settings. Scroll down to Expenses. Turn on this toggle, and every expense will be deducted from the corresponding project budget. Now you know how to track expenses in Kimai. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to check out other tutorials on our channel.